Hey guys, how are you? I'm not liking how this pour is turning out, so I'm going to do a straight pour right on top. This is a 20 by 20 canvas. Check the information box where there'll be some information plus mediums and colors. And I'm pouring out my paint close to the canvas so I can get the line definition that I'm looking for. And I like to use my silicone measuring cup when I'm doing a straight pour. It gives you more control with how much paint comes out, and you can also make more shapes with it. Y'all, I'm losing my mind. We are having our floors replaced on the whole first floor. Ugh. We decided to stay in the house while we're doing this construction. I'm curious, you guys, if you have construction being done in your house, do you guys stay in your house while it's going on? My family and I and our dogs have about had it already. I got my shipment of the Boom Gel Stain in, so I will be playing with that very soon. I'm going to add some of my milk paint, house paint, and floetrol mixture. And when I'm doing the injection into my puddle, when I'm pulling out, I like to make some effects like swirls. Alright guys, I'm going to take you down for a close-up, but first please subscribe, like, and share. Hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.